Okay, yeah, we just want to go over some of the symbols we're going to use in graphing, graphing on the number line and graphing inequalities. In this first part, we're just going to look at some of the symbols and use them with numbers. So this first one is less than. This is less than. The number on the left is less than the number on the right. So this would be 4 is less than 6. Okay, less than. This is more than. And you know, a lot of you probably already know this, but I just want to make sure I'm not, covering all the bases. So in this case, it would be 6 is greater than 4. This is equal to, okay, so that is equal to, equals, okay, so I could say 6 equals 6, or I could say 6 equals 4 plus 2, okay, in all those cases, I'm saying it's equal. Now, in this fourth one, this is less than or equal to. You notice the line underneath the less than sign. So less than or equal to, and that would be 6 is less than or equal to 6. 6 is less than or equal to 4. 6 is less than or equal to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 4. Okay, so all of those are less than or equal to. You can see that 6 is less than or equal to 6 because 6 is equal to 6. So that still follows. Okay, so that's an important point, and it's going to be a very important point when we start graphing inequalities in the next section. Oh, so this is more than, or equal to. Okay, so same thing. It can be equal to it. So 7 is, wait, let me make a better 7 there. 7 is greater than or equal to 7. It can be equal to 7. 7 is greater than or equal to 5. 7 is greater than or equal to 5 plus 2, right? Because it can equal 7. Okay, so just so we're clear on that, that equal to is a powerful thing. It can be the number itself. Okay, it can be equal to this. This last one is not equal to. Not equal to. And you can see there's that line through it. Okay, so 7 is not equal to 5 plus 3. Okay, 6 is not equal to 8. 4 is not equal to 3 plus 5. Okay, so that there are the signs that we need to look at. This is a very short video. You need to follow and complete the forms, the form following this, and you will be using this symbol. You'll be explaining what it is and then answering some questions about that. Okay, good job.